Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you Minazuki, the Japanese traditional sweet eaten on the 30th of June. The day is the last day of the first half of the year and the beginning of the summer. We go to the shrine of our local guardian god and show appreciation for the health and peace and make a prayer for the continuous prosperity. We go through Chinowa to purify our mind. We eat Minazuki, stay away from evil, as wet being considered to protect ourselves. Let's get started. The ingredients vary from region to region and depends on the personal preference. I will show you the simplest recipe that uses rice flour. To make it more simple, I cooked in a microwave. This is my first time to cook Minazuki in this way, but surprisingly came out great. First, combine rice flour and sugar. Today I ran out my white sugar, so I used powdered sugar. But you can definitely use white sugar. Since we wanted to make it white, so we use white sugar. Add a tablespoon of Kuzu starch if you have one. You can replace it with cornstarch or potato starch. Starch adds a smooth texture to the Minazuki. If you don't have any, just skip it. Add in half amount of water from the recipe, whisk to combine. As you already realized that I always add liquid in some stages. It actually shortens the working time and mix the ingredients well. Add in the rest of the water and mix well. Grease the heat-proof container and transfer the butter passing through a sieve. Reserve 2 tablespoons of butter for the later use. My container is relatively small, so I made 2 of it. Cover loosely with a plastic wrap and cook 3 minutes on 600 watt. Take out carefully from the microwave oven because it's too hot. And apply red bean paste generously, but not too thick. Drizzle the rest of the butter and cook 1 minute and 30 seconds in the microwave. And it's done. How easy is that? Cool completely before cut. And here's the traditional way to make Minazuki. I'm going to add matcha powder to it for a change. Add a tablespoon of sugar from the ingredients to matcha and mix well. This step prevents making lumps when you dissolve into a paste. Add in a tablespoon of water and mix well. Set aside. Mix rice flour and sugar and add half of the water from the recipe. Mix until no lumps to be seen and then add in the rest of the water. Add in matcha mixture we have just made and continue mixing until you get a smooth mixture. Transfer to a moistened mold that you can separate the inside to take out easily. You can use your heat-proof container or any kind of tin you have on your hand. Grease the inside in that case. Transfer the butter passing through a sieve. Reserve 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter for the later use. If the foam floated on the surface, discard it with the spoon. Steam on medium-high heat for 15 minutes. Take it out carefully and remove the excess water on the surface. Apply generous amount of red bean paste on top and drizzle the rest of the butter. Back in the steamer and steam it for 5 more minutes. Take out and let it cool to room temperature. Take out from the mold with your wet hand to avoid sticking. Cut in a triangle with your wet knife and place on the tray. Triangle represents a half in our culture that shows it's the half year has passed. It tastes sweet, simply sweet. The texture is chewy that we love. It seems to be too much sugar in the recipe, but it's a perfect ratio. I had tried to cut the sugar in half, but the texture wasn't so nice. If you don't want the sugar, replace it with the low-calorie sugar or another healthy sugar substitute. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And please go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!